If your car was submerged in floodwater and won't start, your car needs immediate attention. Before I explain, if you love car tips and engine fixes, like and subscribe. This Toyota Vios had been through a flood. Several people tried to fix it, but it still wouldn't start. The mechanic began by checking fuses and relays. All good. It had fuel, and the ignition coil had power, but signs of water damage were found. He pulled the spark plugs. They were okay. Since the engine had been flooded, he poured oil into each cylinder to push out moisture and protect the engine. Then he checked the fuel injectors. No fuel came out. The fuel pressure was weak, so he replaced the fuel pump and drained the water-contaminated fuel. Fuel pressure returned, but still no start. The final check, the ECU. It was the real problem. He swapped it with a second-hand unit, and this time, the car finally started. So next time, be safe and take care of your car.